Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how I maintain my twist outs at night. But before we get into this video, if you're new, please take the time to subscribe and welcome to the family. And if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, let's get into this video. So it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm about to go to bed. So I'm going to show you how I wear my hair at night. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Now, I only use 2 ponytail holders. I'm going to kind of figure out where my hair falls and separate it right down the middle. And then I'm going to take this side right here and I'm going to put it in the ponytail holder. And I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And this is how I go to sleep. Now you might be asking, why don't I wear a bonnet? And that's because every bonnet that I've found so far is small for the amount of volume that I have in my hair. And I don't like the way my hair looks coming out of a bonnet in the morning. It just makes my definition look so much flatter than it is without a bonnet. So that's why I just make sure to sleep on a satin pillowcase. Now, when my hair was shorter, I would wear my hair in 4 ponytails, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and my hair would look amazing in the morning. But since my hair has gotten longer, I just find that 2 ponytails does the trick. Now I'm gonna go to sleep, and in the morning I'll show you all what I do to refresh my hair. Okay, it is the next morning. Why didn't y'all tell me? My lips are chapped. Okay, that's better. So it's the next morning and this is what my hair looks like. I literally just took a bath and did my skincare routine. I have done nothing to my hair. Now before I do anything, I'm just gonna add some oil to my hands. And this is the hair oil by Bread. And this allows me to add shine to my hair while I take these ponytail holders out. So now with the oil in my hands, I'm just gonna go in and separate my hair. Rub the oil on. Y'all, this hair oil smells so good. Just separating it, fluffing it out with my hand while rubbing the oil. And then I go in and where that part was in the back, I'm just gonna like do this shaking motion. And this is because I want to get rid of that part if it's still there. Oh, earring fell out. So this is what my hair looks like with just fluffing it out with my hands. And I forgot my pick, so I'll be right back. So I got my pick, and this pick is from Cosmology. I will leave my affiliate link down below in the description box. But now, since I love volume, I'm just gonna go at the roots and pick my hair out even more. Pick out the bottom. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like all picked out. Beautiful. I am so glad that I finally got to film this video because I have gotten so many questions on how I get my twist out to last and how I maintain my hair at night. So that is the method that I use. If you decide to use that method, please let me know below in the comment section. Or if you use a different method, also let me know and I'll try it. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you. Until next time.